Pag-carry. Na mo na sa ma. Mo na sa moto katong nakabas. Ikuha siya. Ikawat siya. Tama sila. Tama. May ko sila naman. Oo.
Hey, Julia. Good evening, Julia.
Ay.
Gamay.
Oo, ano? Oo, ito nila. Tao na may piot mo ni kaya ako eh. Parang hindi na.
Ano? Asa kang juice?
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hello, Julia. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
Okay, teacher is doing great. How are you today? What did you do? Oh, okay, open your camera, open your camera. You open your camera.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to open your camera. I want to open Julia's camera. Can you open your camera, Julia? Okay, how are you today, Julia? You're good? Good?
Good.
Okay. Today, let us study about this. Oh, you read this. You read. What? Julia. What?
What?
What are? What are? Julia? What are? What are? Julia, you read, Julia. What are? What are? Julia, you read. What are? Morning. Okay, that is what are morning, teacher. Okay. Okay, Julia, please read this one. What is this?
Breakfast.
Okay, very good. Another one, this one, what is this?
Lunch.
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 Lunch. Okay. This one, you read this, Julia. Julia, you read this.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Dinner. Dinner.
Dinner.
Okay,
Dinner.
again, breakfast.
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 Okay,
Lunch.
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 Dinner.
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 Okay, this one. Okay, this is
Homework.
very
Homework.
good, Julia.
Homework.
Okay, this one.
Stare.
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 This one.
Pick up.
Pick up. I will pick up.
Up.
Okay. I will pick up the clothes. Okay, pick up. I will pick up the clothes. Okay. Again, homework.
Homework.
Next, stare.
Next. Bed up.
Next, pick up. Pick up.
Bed up.
Okay, very
Bed up.
good. Okay, this one.
Call.
Oh,
Coat.
coat. If you are cold,
Cold.
you have to wear a coat. Okay. Next one.
Put on.
Put on the dress. Put on. It means you will wear. Put on. Okay, this one.
Put on and get dressed.
Okay, put on and get dressed. Okay, this one. What is this?
Football.
Cup boy. Okay, this is cup boy. Okay.
Football.
Next one.
Catch.
Catch. This one.
Find.
It's find.
That.
Find. Okay, you have to find. Okay. Next one. Wash.
What?
Okay. Okay. Okay, first is catch.
Catch.
Next, find.
Find.
Next,
Wash.
wash. Okay, so catch, find,
Find.
and wash.
Wash.
Okay,
Wash.
so you have to catch,
Catch.
you have to find,
Find.
you have to wash.
Wash.
Okay? Okay, look at this one. You choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay? Okay, so please choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, choose the correct words.
One is a song.
One is,
A song.
okay, it's you can walk up or down there inside your home. What is this? What is this? This is a,
Is star.
oh, stair. Again, stair.
There.
Okay, let us check.
Stair.
Very good. Yay. Okay, next one. Number two. You read number two. Wait.
Wait here and can a driver taking you to
Town.
town?
Okay, answer. Wait here and then the driver takes you to town. What is this? This is a,
It's a book stop.
very good. This
It's a
is
bus
a
stop.
bus stop.
Bus.
Oh, let me see. Very good, Julia. Oh, three, Julia. Very good, Julia. Three, Julia. Very good, Julia. Three.
You stand in this and where your body is a sound.
Okay.
sound.
You stand
A
in this
sound.
and wash your body. Okay. You stand in
sound.
this and
A
wash
sound.
your body.
A sound.
Okay, it is
A sound.
shower. Okay, it's a shower. Okay, next, number four.
You both hot coffee.
You put hot coffee in this. Then
you make it the drink from it a cup. A cup.
okay. You put hot coffee in this. Then you
It's
pick
a
it
cup.
up and drink from it. It's
A cup.
cup. Okay. This is a cup. Teacher is drinking. Look at teacher.
You can burst a map or
You can buy a map or look on the internet to find this. What is this? It is? It's a places. Okay, it's a places. Okay, you can buy a map. Look on the internet to find this. This is a places. Okay, yeah, one mistake only, Julia. Very good. Okay, this one. Look at this. Okay, please read about this. This is the story of Ben. Oh, this boy, Julia, is Ben. Okay, what is the name of the boy? What is the name of the boy? Ben. Okay.
Good morning.
Okay, it's good morning. Okay, look at this one. Okay, let us read the story. Okay, please read the story. Look at the picture. Okay, go. Okay, Julia, look at the picture. Ben's terrible school morning. Okay, look at this is Ben. Ben is awake. And then, okay, he's waking up. He looks the clock and think, oh, look at this. Okay, I must get up and get to school. Okay, what happened to Ben here? Oh, what happened to Ben? Look at Ben.
Ben in
Ben.
bed.
Okay,
He was waking up. He looked at the clock
clock.
and think, oh no, I'm small. Get up and go to school.
Okay. Okay, what happened to here? What happened to Ben? Look at what happened to Ben in the picture.
Is
Left.
me
He left the bus.
Ben
Oh.
cares school morning.
Okay, school morning. Okay. So, look at Ben here left the bus. Okay. What happened to Ben here? Look at what happened to Ben. There's a rain. What happened? Ben, look at Ben. What happened to Ben here? Ben? What happened to Ben? Look at the picture. What happened to Ben in the picture? Ben gets... Look at what happened to Ben. Ben get wet. Okay, look at Ben. Ben get wet. Okay, Ben get wet. Okay, look at Ben. Ben get wet. Okay. Now look at this. Okay, is the teacher happy? Okay, is the teacher happy to Ben? Look at this Ben. Is the teacher happy to Ben? Huh? Is the teacher happy to Ben? Is the teacher happy to Ben? Yes or no? Is the teacher happy to Ben?
If
Is the teacher happy to Ben? Yes or no? Look at the teacher. Is the teacher happy? Yes or no? Is she happy? Is she happy? Look at, is Ben happy? Is the teacher happy? Is Ben happy? The teacher is not happy. Look at that. The teacher is not happy with Ben. Is not happy with what? Ben? What happened to Ben? Okay. The teacher is not happy anymore. Okay. Okay. She's not happy anymore. Okay. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. Now, is Ben at home now? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. No. Okay. Wait here, huh? Okay. Is he on the bus?
Yes.
Oh, are you sure? Ben is
No,
here,
no,
this
no,
one.
no.
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 Are his friends on the bus? Friends.
Yes.
Yes. Has he got his school bag?
No.
No, very good. Has he got a coat on? Has he got a coat?
No.
Hmm? No, okay. Look at this. Look at the third picture. Look at picture. Look at Ben. Is Ben happy? Is Ben
No.
happy? Happy or no? Is Ben
Yes.
happy? Okay,
No,
is
no,
Ben
no.
happy?
No, no.
No. Look at the fourth picture.
Shall we?
Oh, where is Ben? Oh, it's not shower, it's rain. It's rain. Okay, Ben is wet. Okay, where is Ben now? Oh, look at Julia. Where is Ben now?
Eh,
Where is Ben now? Where is Ben now? Where is Ben?
Here.
Where is Ben now? Look at the fourth picture. Where is Ben now? Okay, Ben is? Where is Ben?
Teacher.
Oh, yeah. Where is Ben now?
Teacher, may I go
Wow.
out?
Okay, go. Okay, come back.
teacher.
Okay, so here. Now, look at the picture. Okay. So is Ben's teacher happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, are you sure happy? Ben is late.
No.
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 The teacher is not happy because Ben is? What happened to Ben? Ben is
Ben.
late. Oh, very
Ben.
late. That's why the teacher got mad. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Now, we have here, okay. What do you think will the answer? Complete the answer. Ben's terrible morning. Ben woke up late. Okay, Ben, what is the answer here? Ben got up. Okay, let us skip this one. It's
Ben go.
quite hard. Okay, look at this. This is Nick. Okay, so please try to answer what happened to
Good.
Nick. Okay, please read, Julia.
So.
Read. I got up. Okay. I got up and I had shower. Okay. I put on my clothes and went downstairs. Okay, this one. Okay. So please read this one, Julia. Please read. Let us have this. Okay, sorry. Okay, let us have this about Ben. Okay. So, we put on our school clothes and had breakfast. Okay, Ben, what is the answer? Ben didn't have shower. Okay. We put on our school clothes and have breakfast. Okay. But Julia, but he didn't have, okay, but he didn't have breakfast.
Drink 4.
Okay, 4. Read number 4. Read number 4. Please read number 4.
Wear boots on a car and say goodbye to.
Okay, and then?
Oh.
Okay. We put on our clothes and say goodbye to our parents. Ben, what? What, Ben? Ben did not put on his coat and he did not say goodbye to his parents. Okay, number 5. 5.
Number 5. We go out of the hole and we catch the book.
Okay, we go out of the house and we catch the bus. Okay, Ben went out of the house, but he did not catch the bus. Okay, 6. Number 6, please answer number 6. Okay, number 6. Go number 6. Number 6 is we get on the bus. Ben didn't get on the bus. Number 7. What's number 7? Seven, please read. We go. 7, please read number 7. We go into the classroom. We go in the classroom. Go, go. Julia, number 7. Please read number 7. 7, please read number 7. Number 7, please read number 7. Please read number 7. Please read number 7. We go into the classroom and our teacher is happy with us. Okay. Ben is went into the classroom, but his teacher was not happy. Not happy, Julia. The teacher was not happy. Okay. Please read this, Julia. Okay, read this one. Okay, you read all, so we can finish. Sorry, read all. I got up, go. I got up, go. I got up and I go. Julia, read. Julia, read. I got up and I got up, go. Ready?
I have. Also, I put on my clothes and with those to the kitchen.
Okay. Had breakfast
in
with
my family.
Then
I took my cook from the house. Cook brought I say, would to me friend and
my Julia,
well.
my parents.
To me parents.
And then
I went out of the hole. I went to the bookshop and I caught and took
the
them
boss
both to school. I sat down on the book and laughed
laughed
with my friend and
okay, and go Julia, continue. Continue, Julia. Okay, and when I went home, okay, I had Ayan. Ibutan na rin ref. Lihom. Okay. Continue, Julia. When I came home.
The bus to school I sat down on the bus and Logan and Darwin with my friend.
Mm-hmm.
When I came into the class,
Classroom.
the teacher was very happy because the I need my book and homework. Then came into the classroom. He was great. Our teacher was happy with Ben because the this have any book of homework.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So let us have another topic. Okay, so how are you, Julia? You're great? You're okay today? Okay. What did you do today? Did you play?
Yes.
Who are with you? Do you have friends? Do you have friends, Julia? Julia, do you have friends?
Yes.
Okay. How many friends do you have?
Six.
How many friends? How many friends do you have?
One.
How many friends do you have? You have? Okay, you have? Okay.